Happy Friday, everybody. My name is Peter Jobst, your IT consultant, and today we're talking about our episode 4 of our opening a new office. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our channel, leave your comments down below, and we will make sure to answer them. And today we're talking about that big day, that big move day, and what it takes to do the move. And I have a couple tips for you for the move. One of the tips that we'd like to tell people is that the moving companies need to know where all the desktops are going to go. You don't want your users moving the desktops. You want the moving companies to move it, and they have to bring all the stuff into the right place. So here's one thing that we do. We tell everybody to go get a big Ziploc bag for all their users. Get a whole bunch of them, one for every user. Get colored stickers, a different color for every single user or every location that they're going into. And what you're going to do is you're going to have your users disconnect their computers, put all the cables into the big Ziploc bag, put all their mouse and all the things that are going with them into the Ziploc bag, put the sticker on the Ziploc bag, put the sticker onto the computers, put the sticker onto the monitors, and then you're going to put that same color sticker at the new office so that when the moving company moves, they're going to pick it up from the one office and they're going to drop it in the right place at the new office. And in that way, your users are going to have their computer with all their cables and all their stuff ready to go at their office, and they're going to be able to plug those back in on Monday morning when they come in. So that's that part. You're going to have it scheduled out. I highly recommend you using a moving company, and as you're going to want to have your IT consultant or whoever your local IT consultant is, they're going to really want to be working on the servers. So as you can imagine, your goal is to have as little downtime as possible. You want to stop working on Friday. You want the movers to come in, move you on that Friday over the weekend, have everything set up over the weekend, and then on Monday morning have all your users come in and start their work and have business come, have the phones ringing, have everybody working, and you making money again without having any downtime. And to do that, you have to have it all planned out. Let's just put it that way. All right, and here's tip number 2 for that moving day. Make sure you schedule that moving day to be on a Friday. Friday is probably the best day, depending on your business, of course. But if you want to optimize your downtime and optimize your uptime, you want to schedule it usually for a Friday afternoon. You're going to have your employees come in and work on that Friday morning, and then everything's going to get usually shut down around noon. And this is the important part. You don't want the moving companies to move any kinds of servers or anything that has some critical data on it. So I highly recommend that you would have your IT company move the servers and all the critical machines over themselves. And what they'll do is they'll shut them down. Usually they make sure that there's backups that happen long before, so that everything is backed up before it ever gets shut down. They're going to shut it down at the old office. They're going to bundle it up. They're going to usually put it into their own vehicles and bring it over to the new location. And they're going to try to get everything up and running as soon as possible. So in the best case scenario, they're going to shut it down one place, bring it over to the new location that's all ready for them to go. If there's a rack that needs to be, they're going to slide it into the rack. They're going to bring that equipment to the new place and get it up and running so that that office is 100%. And they're going to work probably throughout the weekend to make sure all the wireless is working, the internet connection is working, databases are connecting, printers are connecting, everything is ready to go. It's going to happen over that weekend. And this is really critical. You want to make sure that the IT person is there early Monday morning, because this is the third tip. Number 3, there's always going to be problems. You better expect that there's going to be lots of problems happening on Monday morning. Just be prepared. Accept the fact that it's not going to be perfect. Employees are going to be coming in. They're going to be kind of working on their computers. They're going to be plugging stuff in, finding a place for their hat to go, where their coat goes, where the coffee machine is, all these things, and it's not going to be a perfect day. So you want to be prepared. You want to be on your game. You want to be ready to go, and you want to be anticipating as many problems and being able to take care of as many problems as you can on that day. So just be there early, be there ready, have everything done ahead of time as much as you can, but just be prepared to have a lot of different problems happening on that Monday morning. And it's going to be probably the next couple days. You're going to be fixing this, you're going to be fixing that. This person doesn't have good internet connection back in the corner. This person can't connect to the database. There's different things that are happening, but you're going to take care of all of those on that Monday, and you're going to get them all fixed. And usually by the end of the week, everybody's all settled in. Everybody's been working all week. There wasn't any business loss, and you've had a successful move. And here's the fourth tip. This is a really important tip. This is, don't forget to shut down all your old internet connections. So make sure you disconnect. You call up your company and you disconnect any internet connections, any phone services, any security services that you had at the old location. Don't forget to shut them down, because you most likely had to set up new services at the new office, and make sure you shut down the old services so you're not paying for stuff that you don't need. And those are our tips for our moving. That means that you had a successful move and you're all excited now. You're in your new location with all the new restaurants in the great place with a great view, and you're going to make lots of money in your new office, and all your clients are going to come in and enjoy your new office with you. So I'm going to leave you with that, and I want you to have a great weekend this weekend, and hope you enjoy our channel. Hope this is some information that you can use, because we're always here to provide some information. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to leave your comments down below. And we're going to look forward to you next Friday. Have a great weekend. Bye, everybody.